Guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm just gonna film a quick little video. I'm not gonna go really too in depth with it, but today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna put this Fender back to somewhat OEM-ish to look like right there. That used to be the same. That side is pretty close to being done. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I did that exactly. So right here we have some cardstock or poster board, I should say, sorry, just from Dollar Tree. Pretty much I get the shape that I need, which we have right here. This took a little bit of work to try to get the exact shape and everything. It's a little ruggedy right now, but that doesn't matter because this is just basically a mold. And then I went ahead and highlight what we do have left, so we make sure we follow that and we make sure we follow that. This is what I came up with. So pretty much when you match that all the way to that, pretty much that's where we're at. Then we're gonna go ahead and hot glue pretty much that piece in, and then from there we'll start kind of building the top also with the poster board. Now, is this the correct way? No. The correct way would be if you have a legit front end, because this is a G37 front conversion. Now, if it was a normal G37 or just a G35, I would get whole new fenders, not a big deal. But because these are part G35 fenders and part G37 fenders, the other correct way would be to source new fenders and pretty much cut that piece out of the other fender and just weld it in and you're done. Now, G37 fenders tend to be a little bit expensive and a little bit hard to source. So rather than paying, you know, anywhere from, on the low end, I've seen the fenders go for like $150 up. Rather than paying that times two, I'm just gonna go ahead and recreate my own. It's sort of what I did in the rear. The rear actually does have, I found OEM replacements. I cut them out, welded that in. Those are not done yet. They still need a bit of body work, as you can see. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead a different route with this, with the fronts, and I think it's gonna turn out just as good, and I'm not really too concerned on it. So this should be heated up. Let me go ahead and hot glue that piece in, and I'll show you how that looks. There you go. So now we have that piece pretty much hot glue gunned in, and that's how it's looking. Again, yes, the shape is not perfect, but we're definitely gonna be fixing that. This also is gonna have to be extended to the bumper right there. But yeah, it's looking really good. Everything kind of matches in. So now we're gonna go ahead and pretty much start creating all of this piece, and I'll show you how I do that right now. All right, so there you go, guys. So you can see we have one piece in now right here, and there you go. I put it a little bit lower than this, obviously, because this is just the mold. We'll put tape over all of this, and then we'll pretty much glass it. But there you go. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but it will once we actually really start to shape it and whatnot. So we're gonna pretty much do that throughout the entire thing. So with some video magic, let's get it done. Yo, guys, it is done, and to be honest with you, I like the way I did this one over that one. That one I did with some cardboard and whatnot, and it's basically the same thing, but this poster board works just that much better. But let me go ahead and show you. I know it might look a little funky because you have like a bunch of pieces and then black and then white, and you still see that cut out, but actually really good. Super stoked on that. There it is. So very pleased with that. So now what we're gonna do is I have this tape, and the tape, now we're gonna pretty much tape the whole thing. I gotta get all those riv nuts drilled out, but then we'll end up taping over everything. And what that's gonna do is when I glass it, the fiberglass won't stick to this. So when I pull the glass off, instead of it's fiberglass into that's gonna stick to it. It works much better. But I'm very happy. As of right now, we have all four corners done now. And it doesn't look like it, but I actually did make this about half an inch wider than OEM. So it is a tad wider. Same with that. That is about half an inch to an inch wider than OEM, but I made it to where it does not look like it. I've done something like this in the past when my car was black. If you guys remember that, drop a comment below. But yeah, so I'm very stoked. So we're gonna put some tape over it, glass it. That's not gonna be in this video, but this is gonna be the end of this video. I mainly just wanted to show you guys how to create something. So if I really wanted to, you know, you could just get your arch and then you can widen it out to here and then just start building on and just get creative, guys. You know, I encourage you to get out there, get creative. It's just some poster board, some hot glue, some tape, some fiberglass, and then obviously from there filler and whatnot, and you can kind of create whatever it is you vision. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you found it helpful, please leave a thumbs up and stay tuned. We're getting very close to getting this thing back out on the road, and I am very excited for it. Hopefully in the next video, maybe we'll start to get the glass put down on it. But I'm so excited, guys, and stay tuned. We're gonna be getting, where's it at? Right there. We're gonna be getting some POV shots on that. I got a helmet GoPro attachment, so we're gonna be able to get some shots again on that thing. I just hit 45 on it yesterday, fastest I've ever gone on it, and it will go faster. So we're gonna get some cool videos. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, and I hope to catch you all there. Peace.